last week into the stage analysis screener, which is the stages themselves. So we've now got a new area where we've got the stage filter, and these are done via the sub stages. So all of your stage 2s are covered by 2A, 2 minus, 2B and 2B minus. So you can tick all of these and basically see all of 2, for example. There's 1694 at the moment. This is also shown up here in this little panel. You can see there's 33.25% of the stocks overall in stage 2 uptrends of various descriptions at the moment. You can see there's 26.71% in either stage 1 or stage 3, which are neutral scores. And then there are 2040, which is 40.04% in stage 4 downtrends. So you can get these and see any of these through this area here. So if you just want to look at new stage 2 breakouts, you can click on this. You can then filter it further using the market caps, get rid of some of the small caps, how it closed on the week, upper quarter of the bar, for example, whether it's got strong relative volume, so more than 1 times the average weekly volume, whether it's good average volume. Then you can filter these down. HESS was a gap up name. I think that might be a merger one, but there was a few this week that came through from that. So you can just, with the unfiltered list, you can just click that and then you can get your results, and you can see there's 59 2As this week, versus if we look at how many stage 4A breakdowns there was 49. So slightly more stage 2A breakouts to stage 4A breakdowns. So one thing you can do with these is you can quickly export them. So once you've got your list selected and you've gone through your filters, if you click the export button, it either gives you a comma separated list, which you can copy and paste into your trading platform of your choice, something like TradingView, stock charts, whatever, and then you can go through those charts on there, or you can obviously go through them on the site here. We've got breaks, so go through some of these just quickly, just have a look at what we've got going down the list. I think there was Opta's a relatively minor stage 2 breakout, just coming back out through above the 30-week moving average and the quarterly thing, but still within a resistance range as such. But you can see just moving into stage 2A. We've got a few others as well, like CompuGen was a more bigger break back through the upside there. So you can quickly find those stocks now using the stages filters on here. You can go through the stocks on the list through here. So if I reorder this by market cap, for example, so you can see the largest cap stocks, Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, etc. You can see that these at the moment, the majority of the top 10 stocks at the moment are still in various parts of stage 2, either in the stronger part of stage 2, which is just 2, or the minuses when they are below their 10-week moving averages as well. You see Microsoft just in stage 3 at the moment, Berkshire Hathaway as well. So 2B just means late in stage 2. So the likes of Meta, for example, is late in stage 2. You can see it running in stage 2 for a very long time now. So whereas something more like Tesla only broke out into stage 2 more recently. So this is just in normal stage 2 currently. So you can go through. Now we've got that with the SATA score, so you can see how they are in terms of their technical attributes versus their actual stages, as well as relative strength. You can add extra columns, different options that we've got down here too, which we can be continuing to add to. So just wanted to highlight that, the new stage filter. So if you haven't used it yet, obviously make your scanning a lot easier in terms of the stage analysis scans. Right.